Hey guys, what's up? So, my name is Anwit. I'm back with another video on structured query language. So, today we are going to perform interview questions on SQL joins में majority of the times interview में joins पे बहुत question आ जाते but yeah, let's see how we can solve those questions. So, this one was personally asked to me maybe 3 4 years back when I was learning SQL. So, this is these are two tables A and B. So A में three records है 111, B में भी two records है 111. So in the question in the interview it was asked what would be the result of this A and B after joining it. So let's join this table. So we'll do A dot star मतलब all एक ही column है, so no issues. From A, I guess yes. Let's join B on A dot ID is equal to B dot ID. So joins हो गया and if you see answer is 6 whereas there were only 5 rows. If you see the total A में 3 थे और B में 2 थे but when we did the join we got 6 rows. Let me explain in an Excel why this 6 rows came. So here we have three rows. This is our table A and this is our table B. So what SQL did in the background is उसने क्या किया कि 1 और 1 मैच हुआ, देन अगेन 1 और 1 इसके साथ मैच हुआ, सो टू रोज ये हो गए. अगेन नाउ 1 मैच्ड विद दिस एंड अगेन दिस मैच विद दिस, सो अगेन 2 हो गए. Then the third one, this with this one, this with this one. So two. So if you see the total six, and that's the reason it returned 6 rows. So the this was one of the questions asked in an interview. Cool. Let's move forward now. The second question what we have is least employees who share the same manager. So yeah, this is a very common question asked in an interview because हर एक के managers mostly same ही रहते. So let us try and solve this. In this, we'll have to use a self join. So let's see. Select star from we have employee table. So we can see manager reports to two and junior developer reports to two. So we'll have to our answer should be in one column there would be a manager, in other column there would be a junior developer, and we will also write the name of the manager who reports to them. So manager के बाजू में आएगा junior developer, so that would be an employee one, employee two. जो जितने report करते हैं उसको same managers, and there will be an assistant manager as well because they both report to assistant manager. So our answer will be manager junior developer reports to assistant manager. So let us try and solve this one. So अभी हम लोग को चाहिए select. So we'll be joining a same table twice. So let's see. E dot designation as employee one. Then we'll give one more reference to this table, p dot designation. You can give any initial, that's not an issue, as employee 2. So एक कॉलम में employee 1 दिखेगा, एक कॉलम में employee 2 दिखेगा, and then there will be a third table. We'll give this m dot designation as manager name. Cool. ये हो गए the required columns from employee E. Now we will join again employee P. This time we will join on reports to because दोनों के reporting हम लोग को same चाहिए. So E dot reports underscore 2 is equal to P dot reports underscore 2. Cool. Now again we'll have to join the M table because अभी हम लोग को manager का name चाहिए. Join EMPM on this would be the same reports to is equal to employee ID which we did in our last join SQL lecture. e dot reports to and is equal to m dot employee id. So there we go. Manager or junior developer ko, yes, definitely they report to assistant manager, which we manually checked. And again, this is a junior developer, assistant manager. So in order to avoid this repetition, so let's see यहाँ पर भी manager है, यहाँ पर भी manager है. So हम लोग को repetition नहीं चाहिए. So what we can do is now we'll do and m dot reports to, sorry, it's not m, e और p है ना, e dot reports to नहीं, employee id आएगा अपने यहाँ पर, employee id. You can either put greater than or less than, that's not an issue. P dot employee id. Let's run this code now. So what it did is उसने repetitions जो थे वो सब हटा दिए, because we did give a condition that इसका employee ID उससे इधर ज़्यादा रहेगा. Or if you put less than also, that's not an issue. Let's see. There we go. Abhi manager and junior developer both are reporting to assistant manager. पिछले बार जब हमने वो क्वेरी लिखा था विदाउट दिस, दैट टाइम और एक बार जूनियर डेवलपर रिपीट हो गया था, बट नाउ इट इज नॉट रिपीटिंग दैट. सो दिस इज विदाउट एनी रिपीटेशन. सो इफ यू सी, मैनेजर एंड जूनियर डेवलपर आर रिपोर्टिंग टू असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन asked for least employees who shares the same manager. So manager and junior developer shares the same manager, which is the assistant manager. Great. Let us move on to the next question, which is manager with the highest number of employees. So अभी हम लोग को पता है कि ये दो जन इनको रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, but there are managers who has more than two. So यहाँ पर देखो finance officer has three. So सबसे ज़्यादा रिपोर्टिंग उनको किया जा रहा है. So yeah, let's solve this. We need the name of manager. So again, we'll do a self join. M dot designation as manager name. Now उनके हम लोग को count चाहिए. So we will use a count function and we'll drop e. So दूसरे हम लोग एक टेबल को रेफरेंस देंगे, e dot employee id. We need the count of employee id as reporting underscore count from empe. Let's join this empm on e dot reports to is equal to m dot employee id. Now this will, if I'll run this, we'll get an error because mandatory count function दिया है, तो we'll have to group by as well. So group by explained in the previous है, ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. जो first will give, need to copy this. Group by designation, m dot designation. क्या error आ रहा है? You can check the manual. Sorry, group by. Cool. Group by m dot designation. There we go. Assistant managers, we saw दो जन उनको report करते हैं, but now we'll have to find out the most number of people reporting this. So our answer should be finance officer. Now what we can do is we will order by a reporting count. So कुछ देंगे नहीं तो by default ascending, so it will 1 1 1 1 सब जो एक जन रिपोर्टिंग है उनका आ जाएगा, but we need the most number. So if we put a descending, there we go, finance officer 3, but we need to only find one. So simply limit 1. There we go, finance officer reporting count 3. So this way we can answer this type of question, manager who is reporting, who has the highest number of employees under him. So hope you like the video and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you.